One thing that makes Boyd Properties stand apart is the fact that we're a small team. This means that we genuinely build relationships with our clients when they ring into the office. They always know the person who picks up at the other end of the line. We are a friendly bunch and we know that legal matters and big decisions in life can be scary. That's why we make sure that we get to know our client and take the time to have a chat and a catch up with them when they ring in. It's these small things that can really help to build trust and make sure that the client feels comfortable and that they're in good hands while they work with us. We find that being a small team makes our service smoother for our customers. We all know what's going on with each client, and that means that they don't have to waste time repeating themselves and re-explaining their situation should they happen to speak to a different member of staff. We're all able to assist the clients. Their time is never wasted or taken for granted. That all makes for a much pleasurable experience for them and more efficient one too. We know that time is precious to our clients. Work, families and life can make selling a property hectic, so we do our best to work around the client's time. We find solutions to get things done, even if that means working outside of office hours or shuffling our schedules to make sure that we get to speak to the client at a time that suits them best. After all, effective communication is the most important part of our job, and we never underestimate the importance of a conversation. One of the tests that we scored most highly on in the ESPC Mystery Shopper test was how we dealt with first-time buyers following a call. We scored well above average in this assessment because we pride ourselves on taking that moment to follow up with the person and reiterate what we said over the phone, making sure that they have all the information that they need. We don't just switch off and move on with our task as soon as we put the phone down. We offer some clear guidance. It's important to make that additional contact promptly after the call to outline the next steps and actions that should be taken should they want to proceed with us following the initial chat. We treat everyone the same at Boyd Property, from our big clients to our small ones. We make time for everybody and value all of our customers equally. We know that buying and selling a home is such an important decision and that the issue that they will be likely be on your mind constantly. That's why we ensure everyone gets the same level of excellent service. No one person is more important than the other. If that means we need to call you twice or 3 times a day, it's not a problem. Likewise, if we mean we need to take an hour to get through all the questions and issues, we'll be here for you. Selling a property, whether it's the first time you're doing so or not, can seem like a minefield. We know that, and even though it's our job to do this every day, we never lose sight of the fact that for our clients it's not necessarily such a natural process. So we hold our clients' hand and make sure that they understand exactly what is going on at all times. We guide the clients through the costs, the legal documents and the implications of each option at whatever pace feels best to make them sure that they know the decision they're making is the best one for them.